There are a couple things that you should know about this outdoor chicken enclosure and run. It is going to be a step-by-step tutorial showing you how to put this together here. Here's the instructions, and here are all the different components that you're going to be looking at. Now, is it easy to put together? It does have a functional door that actually locks. Does it have a tarp that will cover part of it and keep it dry? What tools do you need? We're going to be covering all of that. So you're going to start with these longer pipette pieces, and you're going to put them into your corner pieces here. So this is your corner pieces, and then these pipes will simply snap into place. So there's no drilling needed or anything like that. Simply push down the pins, put them in, and let the pins lock themselves. So again, you're going to continue filling out the overall frame, and the instructions are very clear, very simple. My wife and I were able to put this together in just a few hours. So we're continuing to construct the frame here. And once you're done with the frame, you can hammer it into the ground to make sure that it stays super secure and it doesn't go anywhere. You'll see here we're starting to build the roof. So once you get your vertical pipettes in, you're going to attach the joints for the roof. And again, it's very sturdy, made very well. It doesn't feel like it's made out of a material that's going to break down or rust or fail on us anytime soon. And so once you get the overall frame built for the chicken enclosure, as you can see, you can stand inside of it. It is tall enough to stand in. And here's the door. Now, this might be the trickiest part that you may need additional help for. You might need someone to hold the door components for the installation while you drill the holes that you're going to need. So this gets a little bit trickier, but overall, if you've ever done a do-it-yourself project before, it's going to be super easy, super simple, just a couple holes you need to drill. Here's the locking mechanism, so showing you how it will actually lock the door. And here's the chicken netting and the wiring that you're going to stretch over the top and then zip tie. So you're going to zip tie any gaps to make sure that nothing can get in. And you're going to zip tie the actual chicken wire to the frame, and then you're going to cut the tails of the zip ties so that it looks nicer. So here's what it looks like once you get it all wrapped up and you have everything zip tied on, and you get the tarp on there as well. The tarp is super easy to install with these little bungee cords, and that's going to keep everything dry underneath. So if you're looking for an easy to put together solution, doesn't take very much time, you're looking to homestead on your land, and this doesn't require very much space at all, guys. We don't have a huge backyard, and we're able to put up this easy chicken enclosure with a locking door and a tarp covering, and then we're going to put our actual coop inside of this as well. So grab it today off of Amazon. Hope you have an amazing day and enjoy raising your chickens and collecting your eggs.